If you're wondering whether Freshdesk or Freshservice is the best help desk software, you're in the right place. Both platforms are popular choices for businesses looking to streamline their support, but there's a lot to consider before deciding which one is right for you. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a better alternative you might want to try instead. Let's start by comparing Freshdesk and Freshservice in terms of features. Freshdesk is designed for businesses of all sizes, offering a great ticketing system, live chat, and knowledge base. The interface is easy to navigate, and it integrates with a wide range of tools like Slack, Salesforce, and more. It's a solid all-in-one platform for customer support. Freshservice, on the other hand, is more geared towards IT support. It includes features like asset management, change management, and problem management, making it a stronger choice if you need ITIL, IT infrastructure library, support. However, its overall complexity could make it a bit overwhelming for non-technical teams. Next thing we need to look at is pricing. Freshdesk offers a free plan with essential features like ticketing and email support. Their paid plans are reasonably priced, with options starting from around $15 per agent per month. For teams just getting started, this is a good entry point. Freshservice, however, doesn't offer a free plan and starts at a higher price point, around $19 per agent per month. While it's still affordable, the extra cost might not be justified if you're not specifically looking for IT support features. Now let's talk about customization and integrations. Freshdesk allows for some level of customization, with features like custom ticket fields, workflows, and automation. It also supports many integrations, so you can make it fit your existing processes. Freshservice is even more customizable, especially in terms of IT management features. However, its ITIL-based structure may limit flexibility for teams that don't need all that complexity. It also integrates with several platforms, but the range is narrower than Freshdesk. Moving on to customer support, both Freshdesk and Freshservice offer great support. They have live chat, email support, and knowledge bases, with response times that are generally fast. Freshdesk has a slight edge here, though, because it's more focused on general customer support and offers an easier experience for businesses that need a simple help desk solution. Next thing we should consider is ease of use. Freshdesk is incredibly intuitive and beginner-friendly. Setting it up takes just a few clicks, and you don't need to be an expert to start using it right away. Freshservice, as mentioned before, can feel a bit more complex due to its ITIL focus, which might make it harder for non-technical teams to get the hang of. That could lead to a steeper learning curve, but if you're an IT professional, this might actually be a plus. The fourth thing worth mentioning is reporting and analytics. Freshdesk provides detailed reports on tickets, team performance, and customer satisfaction. It's easy to customize and helps you keep track of important metrics. Freshservice offers even more advanced reporting, especially when it comes to IT operations. If you need in-depth analysis of your IT processes, Freshservice could be a better fit. So which one is right for you? Well, both Freshdesk and Freshservice are strong contenders in their own right. If you're looking for a user-friendly, affordable, and all-around solid help desk tool, Freshdesk is a great option. But if your team is focused on IT support and needs more advanced features like asset and change management, Freshservice might be the way to go. That being said, after trying both myself, I've found a better alternative. If you're serious about getting the best help desk software, I recommend checking out the link in the description. By signing up through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available, which is only offered to our viewers. It's a perfect way to test out a platform that can truly take your customer support to the next level.